Hello, today I want to talk about one of the important architectures in system design, which is called monolithic architecture. So, in order to architect your solutions or business needs, you have to pick the right architecture for your application and for your clients. So, first of all, I would like to clarify few important points regarding monolithic architecture. So what is monolithic architecture? Here, monolithic architecture will contain a single code base, which means all the data, layer, classes, business layers, presentation layers will be occupied in a single project or in a single solution. It is better for fast load as all the codes and classes in a single database. You will pick monolithic architecture when you need rapid development, small development team. You don't really need separate different services for the business need. And whenever scalability is predictable, which means you know prior how much your application will grow or how many users will use at the extreme, and you know all the scopes, and the scopes are limited. Another point, clients require simple architecture to manage without much complexity. When client requires simple architecture and they don't need that much complexity, then you will pick monolithic architecture. Strong consistency is required in transaction or managing data. So whenever you have a transaction like a database operations and you need strong consistency, then according to the client's needs, you can choose the monolithic architecture. Benefits: it is simple to develop, easier to manage because the code base is in a single project, and whenever you have a small team, then you can opt to choose for monolithic architecture. It is easier debugging and testing, easy to manage and deploy than microservices architecture, simplified vertical scaling to handle the loads, performs faster as all are in a single code base. Disadvantages: since all are in a single code base, hence changing a single business requirement is difficult sometimes as it can break other implementations. As time goes, the complexity increases if business cases and business grows to handle the load. Small changes require redeploying the entire application. For example, if you change your presentation layer or data layer or just change in a business layer, then for one change in any of these layers, you have to redeploy the entire application. It is difficult to adopt or integrate new technologies in a single code base, since the code base is one code base. So when you develop your application or solution by picking a single technology, let's say C# or Java, then you will not be able to integrate any other technologies to your code base. Whereas in microservices architecture, you can do that. You have separate services for the separate layers. So how will you decision that whether you can go for monolithic architecture or not? You will choose monolithic application only, the monolithic architecture only when client has a specific simple requirements and does not require unlimited scaling or the limit of scale and user. Your application will not be used by a very large number of user bases. And of course, when client needs a simple application solution where they want faster deployment. So I'll show you an example about the monolithic architecture. Here we see that there are two types of monolithic application. That is, one is monolithic application and another is more modular monolithic application. Here in the monolithic application, the user interface, business logic, and data access layer will be placed in a single project or in a single solution as a single project, which means that you will create a project, and for each layer you will create different folder like user interface folder, customer business logic folder, data access folder, and there you will create your classes and other necessary attributes in that specific folder for that specific layer. So when you build your project, it will actually create DLL for that project and will be deployed as a whole. Another is modular monolithic architecture. Here in the right side, it is a little flexible than the monolithic application architecture, because in the modular monolithic application architecture, you will have multiple projects in a single solution, which means you will create different project for user interface, separate project for business logic layer, and separate project for data access layer. So 3 projects will have 3 different DLLs, and the classes and attributes of the related layers will be placed in that specific project. And all the projects will be deployed as a whole, and you will have to actually use the dependent layers DLL to reference it in the another project, so that you can communicate or use each other's data. For example, in the diagram, user interface layer is a presentation layer or view layer which will contain CSS, HTML, and image, etc. The business layer will contain classes, business logic, validation, handling, inputs from your presentation layer, services, and sends and gets data from to presentation layer and data layer. So which it will actually will be placed between the presentation layer and data access layer and help to communicate between the presentation layers and data access layer. So whenever you give an input from your presentation layer, let's say from your web application or your desktop application user interface, and you will pass that data to your business logic, and it will perform some business logics whichever is needed and pass the data to the data access layer. And in the data access layer, it will contain the classes, repositories. For example, the repositories is a kind of class which will communicate with the database. So data access layer will solely directly connect and communicate with the database and do some database operations. Here you see it will contain the DB connection and other necessary things. So this is the basic differences between the 2 types of monolithic application. One is monolithic application and another is modular monolithic application. I hope you have understood the differences between these 2, modular monolithic application and monolithic application, and you can decide when to choose the monolithic application. Now I will show you one thing about the modular monolithic. Here there is a simple application. It is a .NET project, and here in that project there are 4 projects in the solution. So this is the presentation layer project. There you will actually write the controllers, APIs, or other related classes views, which is a presentation layer, and the service layer here, it is a business logic layer, and the data layer, which will actually communicate with the database. So I have created another separate layer, which is a model layer, because it will contain all the domain database entity classes, which you can also actually create in your data layer as well. But I have separated this. It will depend based on your needs.